8 and 1 and 2 and 3. Turn 5, pop on 7. 1, 3, left, right, for 5, 7. So this way, I'm first gonna go 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. Hands out if you want there, neck roll 5, pop the chest. So if I face this way, boom. So I'm kind of prepping my chest in, extending it out, kind of falling, yeah? Now for my wiggle, from the knees I go 1, 3. You want your arms to end up like somewhere by your center. So remember, belly button up to that nipple area. Little mambo frame with the left. To go 5, out on 7, yeah? From here, this is called a Cuban son. So I'm gonna go 5, 7. Little neck roll, 8, 1. Now remember, tap up again, 5, tap up. Really important if you watch my Cuban step, that contrast of stepping out, this is open, I close it on the tap, then I rotate. Again, open, close it on the tap, open. Well, not open, rotate again, yeah? Now from here, I'm gonna do a swing. So, if I take it from here, 5, 7, 1, close, open, open, close, open. So it's just in contrast, yeah? Now from here, I'm gonna go swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, into Susie Flare. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic 2, 3. From here, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, kiss it and throw it, shift, 1, 2, 3, out, 5, out, 7, flare, again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So my little tips on that one. For that swing step, I already broke it down, but when you're here, open, remember, keep it by that nipple area, hit it, so it looks like you got punched, 2, 3, 4, kiss it, throw it, remember that left arm does not go back, it stays in front of that body. Into that Susie Flare, remember, step, twist, twist, now I flare, 3, fuck that, 1, 2, 3, I flare out on 4, step back on 5, flare out on 6, step forward on 7, flare out on 8. Now notice this little shift in direction, right? So originally coming from my coming from my swing step, I'm shifting my direction from right to left. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to use that 8 to really rotate and repeat. 1, 2, 3, I'm facing the right. 6, 7, I'm facing center. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, yeah? So from the top, what counts, I'll face this way. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, here we go. 5, kick on 8, 8 and 1, and 2, and 3, go. 5, 7, 1, 3, take your time. 7, and a 1, close, open, open, close, open, swing. 1, you got hit. 3, 5, throw it, shift, 1, 2, 3, out, 5, 6, shift again, 1, 2, 3, out, 5, 6, shift, center 1, this way, 5, here we go, 8 and 1, so little thing on here, 8 and 1, I'm forward, so I'm kicking back, 8 and 1, going forward, and 2, it's going back, so that's a ba-da-da, into that hook, yeah? Anyways, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, and 2 and 3, 5, pop on 7. For my arms, they're by my center, I go boom. 1, 3, I'm wiggling the fingers too. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, swing, you got hit, 5, 7, shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, shift, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic, 2, 3, stop right there. The strong music, yeah, we go. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 5, pop, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 7, Cuban, tap up, another one, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, Susie, flip, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic, 2, 3, a 5, here we go, and 1, and 2, and 3, a 5, hop on 7, a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, a 1, 2, a 3, a 5, 6, 7, swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, a little faster, 5, 6, 7, and a, let's see. Le digo estito fuerte, I don't know if that's slow. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 2, 3, 8, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. This way. 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 8 and 1, and 2, and 3, 5. 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 2, 3, 8, 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 3, 5, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic, little faster. 5. Man, yo, I'm hella sick. So don't judge me if I don't count it all. 5, 6, 7, 1, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 2, 3, 8, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Susie, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic, this way, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. You go a little crazy there. 5, 6, 7. Oh shit, I closed it, my fault. Alright, last one, super rápido. And I'll play this shit, it gets rid of my sinus. 6, 7, 1, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, this way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Stop right there. Comment down below if you have anything they want me to break down more. I'm kind of sporadic in this one. My head's all over the place. I'm just very sick. So give me a break on this one. Anything you need me to explain, just DM me or comment down below. Besides that, remember to record yourself because the mirror is a liar. I'm even fucking up my own saying. Besides that, I'll catch you later.